A very good afternoon to all of you, to all my students and everyone. Hope you all are doing good in this pandemic situation, and India is fighting really very good against COVID-19 or the so-called coronavirus. Now today in this lecture we will try to learn about derivative of a function with respect to another function. That means derivative of a function with respect to another function. Now till now what we have seen, say we were differentiating sin x with respect to x. Now the answer was very simple, you all know it, d dx of sin x equal to cos x. d dx, that means I am differentiating with respect to x and the initial function is sin x. Now a case might arise when we have to differentiate a function fx with respect to another function gx, where gx may or may not be equal to x. Under such circumstances, how do we proceed? For example, say we have to differentiate sin x with respect to cos x. That means we are supposed to find out d of sin x by d of cos x. Now let us assume u equal to sin x and v equal to cos x. So what we get? Du by dx is equal to derivative of sin x, which is cos x, and v equal to cos x, that means dv by dx equal to minus sin x. Now dividing du by dx by dv by dx, we get is equal to cos x by minus sin x, which is minus cot x, and that is equal to du by dv. Now what was our u? U was sin x, and what was our v? V was cos x. That means d of sin x by d of cos x is equal to du by dv, that is equal to cos x by minus sin x, which is equal to minus cot x. So in simple language, say we have to differentiate fx with respect to gx. What we do? We differentiate fx individually with respect to the independent variable or with respect to the x, and in the next step we differentiate gx individually with respect to the independent variable. So we get f dash x by differentiating fx, and we get g dash x by differentiating gx. Now dividing f dash x by g dash x, that gives us du by dv, and which will yield our result. Now let us see another example. Say we have to differentiate log x with respect to e to the power x. So again, let u equal to log x and v equal to e to the power x. Now what we do? We again differentiate u log x with respect to x. That means du by dx equal to 1 by x, and v, which is equal to e to the power x. So derivative of that is dv by dx, which is again equal to e to the power x. So dividing both of them to get du by dv, which is equal to du by dx by dv by dx, that is equal to 1 by x by e to the power x, or which is equal to 1 by x into e to the power x. So I hope this will make your concept clear, derivative of a function with respect to another function. So we differentiate both the functions with respect to the independent variable and we divide them to get the answer. Thank you all of you. Stay safe, stay indoors, and India is fighting really very good against this coronavirus or COVID-19. Stay safe. Thank you.